Want to play music using Spotify with Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let me show you how to link Spotify. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung device. On the main screen, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This will open your account menu. Tap Connected Apps. Now, scroll down and find Spotify. You'll see a switch next to it. If the switch is gray, it means Spotify is not linked yet. Tap the switch. A new screen will appear with two options: No Thanks or Link. Tap Link to connect your Spotify account. Once linked, the switch will turn blue. This means Spotify is now enabled. Now you can ask Gemini to play music, search songs, or control playback using Spotify. If the switch is already blue, tap it again to disable the feature. The switch will turn gray, and Gemini will no longer access your Spotify. And that's how to link or unlink Spotify in Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.